This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ernesto Aguilera. This prime Venice location boasts the wonderful Villa Nova condominium, a 50-unit complex in a 55-plus community. Maintenance-free condo. This second-floor condo has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 designated parking spaces conveniently located just in front of the building. New paint, new floors, newer water heater. Hurry, this one won't last long. More pictures coming later. For more information, review the details below.